I'm marching along, I got confidence. I'm cooler than a pack of peppermints, and I haven't been this excited since I can't remember when. I'm off on this remarkable adventure, just riding on a rainbow. What if it's all a big mistake? What if it's more than I can take? No, I can't think that way, 'cause I know that I'm really, really, really gonna be okay. Hey, I'm not giving up today. There's nothing getting in my way. And if you knock me over, I will get back up again. Oh, if something goes a little wrong, well, you can go ahead and bring it on. 'Cause if you knock me over, I will get back up again. Oh, 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 get back up again. Oh, 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 oh.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's snowing pretty hard. Yeah. This is the second time it snowed this week. And it's supposed to continuously snow until sometime tomorrow. It's Friday. Yep. I haven't been doing much vlogging because the snow kind of messed me up. It made it so I couldn't work. It just, the power went out on Monday, and so it kind of messed up that day. I'm just out of sync. So my whole routine has been off. But yeah, look, there's still snow from the other day on our balcony. It finally started melting over here. But now we have more snow, so we'll see if the wind blows it onto our balcony again. But yeah, we figured out how to start a fire on Monday when the power was out. So we at least had warmth that way. And at least it was only out during the day, so we still had light. But we're expecting it might go out again because our power always goes out whenever it can. That's the one bad thing. But I just went to Fred Meyer, got stocked up on some snacks and peanut butter and that kind of thing so that we don't have food that goes bad and so that we don't have to open our fridge at all, really, if the power goes out. And I got more firewood. Yeah, so we're prepared this time. Look at that, wow. Look at that. It is just big fluffy flakes. I think you can see it because it's big enough. Yep. So work's been crazy this week. My whole routine's been off and I've been feeling really down. So that's why I have not vlogged in like 2 weeks. But I still haven't gotten the last vlog up, so that's okay. Look at the trees. They look so pretty with snow. Jeez. It is sticking fast. Look at that sidewalk. The stuff from on the grass is still left over, but the sidewalk was clear. And on the cars, I still don't have a car. So I've been borrowing my mom's car when I need to work. I worked hard yesterday and Wednesday when the snow wasn't as bad. Most of the roads were clear. There was still some ice on some of the roads, so I had to be really careful. But my trip is next week, you guys. Next Saturday, a week from tomorrow. So I really need to work so that I can get money for food while I'm gone. It's stressful. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. I'll keep you guys updated on the storm and power situation. So hey guys, it is Sunday, so 2 days later. Sorry I didn't update you before. Our power never went out, but it did continuously snow from Friday until yesterday afternoon. And it stopped. And then now it's starting again. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. You can kind of, yeah, it's starting to blizzard again. Look at those icicles. Oh my gosh, they got way longer. I haven't seen them since they got that long. They were like half that size this morning. That's how much it's frozen. So I think it started to melt a little bit and then it froze again. That's why they got so long. Oh my gosh. Crazy. So the snow is pretty deep. Our trees had more snow on them earlier, but then it got really windy and blew off. But they were basically all white earlier. So the weather prediction is actually accurate. You can see it. If I look at the right spot, you can see it. Wow, it's like it's starting to blizzard again. But yeah. So we've been just cooped up in our apartment for 2 days and I'm starting to go crazy. But there's nothing I can really do about it. I could go for a walk in the snow. But I don't know if I want to. That's basically all I can do. I don't have my car anyways. And if I did have a car, I'd have to have it be mine because mine was actually okay in the snow because it had 4-wheel drive and a snow setting. But my mom's van doesn't, and the tires aren't great. And then my brother's car, the tires aren't great either, and then my dad's car is a little Fiat, so that's not good. And I can't even drive it because it's manual. So I'm stuck at home. And I feel like I'm gonna, since it started again, like it was supposed to, I feel like I'm going to be stuck at home for a couple more days and I'm going nuts. I've basically just been playing games. And then today I started editing like crazy. I watched some of my show. But my trip is on Saturday. I'm hoping that the rails are clear because I'm taking the train. So, yes, stuck at home, and look at that, that's crazy. Now it's coming down even more. Yeah, it's just started. I bet it's gonna continue like they said, because apparently they're accurate now. I guess weather predictions have gotten better. Yep. Snow, 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 and wind. And the power didn't go out, but since it's supposed to be more stormy again today, I'm still worried about the power going out eventually. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. It's really blustery. Alright, I'm gonna go back to editing more. Hey guys, so it is Thursday now. It's Valentine's Day technically. Yeah, and I leave on my trip on Saturday. So it's coming up. And I'm gonna show it out this way instead. This is what it looks like outside. So the snow is finally going away. But it's been a few days and it's taking forever to melt. The last time it actually snowed was Monday. But yeah, it looks disgusting. And I haven't been able to work at all because I don't have my car. I'd have to borrow my brother's car. And the roads are slick, so I'm too scared. So yeah, So now I'm doing laundry before packing for my trip because today is technically the only day I'm home. Tomorrow I will be home in the morning and at night, but I will be at school almost all day. So yeah, I leave for my trip. Exciting. I can't wait to get away. I was stuck in my apartment since last Friday when it started to snow. And I went a little crazy. Yesterday I got out of the apartment to get a massage, which was wonderful. But I had to bus there and then take a lift home, and I shouldn't have taken the lift because now I shouldn't be spending money. Anyways, yeah, but it was worth it to have to do that. I really needed a massage really bad. And sad news is that my previous massage therapist is not going to be working there anymore. So that's sad because I loved her a lot. She did really great technique. But the good thing is that I found someone else I really like, and then I'm going to try a couple others to see how I feel about them. So, yeah. But anyway, right now I'm going to do laundry and start packing. Oh, and I get a new phone either today or tomorrow too, because my phone stopped working. And I've been cooking, and I've been feeling more confident about my cooking, so that's a good thing. I really like that meal program, that meal kit program. It's fancy enough that you feel like you're, making an accomplishment. Like, you feel really proud of yourself. But it's also simple. So, and it's cheaper than other ones. So I really like it. I just realized how little time I have. I've been doing nothing all day. I edited a little bit earlier this morning, but I have not been doing much. And so I'm freaking out a little bit, realizing what time it is and how this is basically my last day home. Which I've been home for days, so I shouldn't be freaking out. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I'll talk to you guys later.